My friend just took a fall there. So there's ice, so make sure you go really slow. Ah, this is a full Josh. All the best, ride safe. Icing on the cake. Snowfall. There we go. Okay, that was close. Second morning from KAZA, 2 people. So all packing's underway. It's 8 in the morning, 7:55. There's still this slight snowfall happening. I'm just going breakfast. Nothing special. Just have bread and tea and head to Nako so we can go pick up the bikes and start riding. Get back to you in a while. So it is snowfall. Anna. Yay! Finally snowfall in KAZA. It is icing on the cake. Snowfall.
कहाँ है? स्नोफॉल हो रही है?
हो रही है ना?
हो रही है.
थोड़ा थोड़ा. Adventures are increasing every minute. Craving for adventure is never getting old. I think this is the one. I'm not sure. There's a damage there. Not visible. We need to fill in air to check this. आप एक बार ट्राई कीजिए भैया.
Yes.
हाँ वही है मैं जो दिखाया. Yes. There it is, the culprit. क्या है
ये? ऊन है.
Oh, okay. Wool.
ऊन है.
Woolen spinning.
बंद कर दिया. ऊपर से लिया तब.
We made it to Nako to the bikes. The bike is started, but we're just topping up the engine oil in this. So let's switch cameras now and ride starts. Back on the motorcycle now. Let's get some action. This is much better than sitting inside the car. This is what we came for. This is what we do. So it wasn't used for 2 days. So due to the weather conditions here, the tire is quite hard now. It needs to run heat up a little. Then it will be back to normal. Lunch stop for the day, Nako. Sumang Dhaba. Food was all okay, not great. Okay, something is better than nothing. So the return from Nako has begun. All these white snow-capped mountains will disappear gradually. Can't descend too fast as well because there is a lot of black ice. So there is snow which is melting and need to be careful. Can't brake too hard and slip and slide and all that. I don't want to be a victim of that. We will try to keep our pace. Try to reach as soon as possible. Try avoid riding in the dark. There was a slight disappointment in this trip that I couldn't ride the bike the last 100 kilometers. But yeah, safety is must and first. So that is the reason we had to park the bike here in Nako and head on the backup vehicle. So Langza, we didn't reach the statue because the road was closed from Hikim. Hikim, yes, we did post a few postcards from there. That was done. Ice, black ice. Bikes sliding. Maintain momentum. And there we go. Okay, that was close. Yatish took his second fall on this road trip in black ice. He is a victim of black ice twice now. I would have taken my fall, but luckily I just escaped. KAZA upar. You're from? Delhi. There's black ice, very slippery. My friend just took a fall there. So there's ice, so make sure you go really slow. So he just fell over there. So this stretch is completely iced. So keep your momentum and just keep the track. Bangalore. All the best, ride safe. Bangalore. 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 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಗು ಓ ಹೇಮನ್ ನೀವು ಅರುಣ್ ನೀವು ಆರ್ಮಿ ಬಿಆರ್ಒ ಸೂಪರ್ ಸರ್ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ವಾಟ್ ಡೂಡ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬಿಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿಕ್ಟಿಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಐಸ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ದೀಸ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಹೇ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು ಏನು ನೋವ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಏನು ಆಂಕಲ್ ಪೇನಾ ಆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಇದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಗಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡು ಓಲ್ನಿ ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಈಗಲೇ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ಗೆ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಮೋ ಪೇನ್ वहाँ से अपन निकले ना हाँ मैंने बोला 1 घंटे बाद दूंगा हाँ तो तिवारी जी बोलते अभी चला लो अभी चला नहीं मुझे क्या हुआ बस किद हो गया फिर से पैर में थोड़ा वो स्प्रे लगा दो कार में बैठ के ये हो रहा है क्या थोड़ा तो नहीं वो फंस गया था ना हाँ तो आप जो उतारो ना 2 मिनट वो स्प्रे था ना शू बिछुट ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ओली नहीं स्प्रे हाँ हाँ लो आ जाओ इधर आ जाओ He's just sprained his ankles, so our backup mechanic is riding Yatish's bike as of now. Nothing major. He slipped and the saddle stay of the Himalayan got caught in between his leg. So he was strapped like that. Anything can happen in these mountains. You've got to be so damn careful. You can't risk anything here. You've got to be cautious. Risk is not the thing that you're supposed to take here. I'm just checking in the rear mirror if the lens has taken too much dust or dirt. So I keep looking into the mirror now and then. Otherwise all that I shoot, all that I record will go to waste. Our man Yatish is back! Hey mom, you're back on the saddle, you're behind the handle. ಯಾವಾಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? Noisy bridge. Finally, after a few days, we find some green trees on the mountains. It did take a while to come here and spot these, but yeah, it just struck my mind that it's been a long time since we saw some greenery. Today was a very interesting ride. From white mountains to brown, and now we have greenery on the mountains as well. We actually crossed terrains like this. It's drizzling now. This is not good for us. Yes, from snow to rain. From snow to rain. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೇನಾ ಬಿಚ್ತೀನಿ. So we made it to Enfield. This is a full Josh. He's seen this view and he's Anna Ara. Anna coming. Fish? Yes, Anna.
304.
Thank you.
मैं चलता हूँ.
304.
Hi, hi, hi.
No, this side. Once in a while, that side, once in a while, this side. So we came to Hotel Monal Residency, but after getting our luggage into the room, I don't know, sudden change in plans, they decided to vacate this place and check in somewhere else. My adventures are endless. So since some issue with the stay we had here, so our man parked the car on the road and I just hopped off the bike, got into the car in my riding gear and I'm driving the car now basically. I have this feeling of a NASCAR racer now, wearing a helmet in the car. I don't know how much of this can you see, but yeah. Otherwise, yeah, wearing a helmet and driving a car is not a difficult job. It's kind of, since your perspective of view is the same and you can see the mirrors, it's nice. I am the NASCAR racer. NASCAR race, huh? Rally car.